We have not, so far, this war, taken as many German prisoners as they have taken British. But these German prisoners will no doubt come in droves at the end, just as they did last time. I have never promised anything but blood, tears, toil, and sweat. Now, however, we have a new experience. We have victory. A remarkable and definite victory. A bright gleam has caught the helmets of our soldiers and warmed and cheered all our hearts. The late Mr. Venezuela observed that in all our wars, England, he ought to have said Britain, of course, England always wins one battle, the last. We seem to have begun rather earlier this time. General Alexander with his brilliant comrade and lieutenant, General Montgomery, has gained a glorious and decisive victory in what I think should be called the Battle of Egypt. Rommel's army has been defeated. It has been routed. It has been very largely destroyed as a fighting force. Now, this is not the end. It is not even the beginning of the end. But it is perhaps the end of the beginning. Henceforward, Hitler's Nazis will be equally well armed, and perhaps even better armed troops. Henceforward, they will have to face, in many theaters, that superiority in the air which they have so often used without mercy against others, and of which they boasted all around the world. They were to be the masters, and which they intended to use as the instrument for convincing all other peoples that all resistance to them was hopeless. When I read, my lords and gentlemen, of the coastal road, crammed with the flying German vehicles, under the blasting attacks of the Royal Air Force, I could not but remember those roads of France and Flanders, crowded not with fighting men, but with their helpless refugees, women and children, fleeing with their pitiful barrows and household goods, on whom such merciless cruelty was wreaked. I have, my Lord Mayor, I trust, a humane disposition, but I must say I could not help feeling that what was happening, however grievous, was only justice grimly reclaiming her rights.